So, what is the poet asking the lady? Let's see the first stanza. Dear madam, you have seen this play. I ever saw it till today. You know the details of the plot, but let me tell you, I do not. So, the author or the poet is telling that, dear madam, you might have seen this play, but I have not seen it yet. You also know the details of the plot. Now details of the plot means, children, you know that who might be, you may know the suspense, who might be the murderer, or whatever it is, you know about the thrill element of this plot, that is this play. But he's telling her that, but let me tell you, I do not. The poet does not know the plot of this play. Now come to the second paragraph, children. The author is telling, the poet is telling that the author seeks to keep from me the murderer's identity, and you are not a friend of his if you keep shouting who it is. So the poet is telling that the dramatist, those who have written the play, he doesn't want to tell me the murderer's identity. And you are not at all the friend of the author who has written this play if you keep on shouting, if you keep on telling कि who it is. तो इसमें पोएट कहना चाहते हैं कि जब ऑथर, ये जो ड्रामेटिस्ट है जिसने ये प्ले लिखा है, ड्रामा लिखा है, वो खुद ही नहीं बताना चाहते हैं कि मर्डरर की आइडेंटिटी क्या है, और आप कैसे उसके फ्रेंड हो जाते हो, आप शाउट कर रहे हो कि मर्डरर कौन है. Now come to the third stanza. The actors in their funny way have several funny things to say, but they do not amuse me more if you have said them just before. So he's telling that the actors who are actually playing the role of hero heroines in this play have certain funny things also to tell to me, but आप एडवांस में मुझे ये सब कुछ बता दोगे तो उसमें वो फन नहीं रह जाता है. Now come to the fourth stanza. The merit of the drama lies, I understand, in some surprise, but the surprise now must be small since you have just foretold all. तो वो कहना चाहते हैं कि ड्रामा की जो सस्पेंस है और जो सरप्राइज है वो कभी भी आपके कहने की वजह से वो स्मॉल हो गई है, क्योंकि आपने पहले से ही ये ड्रामा में कौन मर्डरर है, सीक्रेट है, ये सब कुछ रिवील कर दी. So you have understood, children, in second and third stanza the poet is conveying to the lady sitting next to him that madam, ये जो funny elements है, जो surprise के elements है, you have all spoiled the funny elements and the surprise element because you have foretold यानी पहले से ही बता देना ये पूरे suspense ड्रामा को. So that makes me irritated. Please don't do so. Now come to the fifth stanza, children. It is saying, the lady you have brought with you is I in for a half-wit too, but can understand the piece without assistance from your niece. So who has this lady brought with her? It's her नीज, उसकी भतीजी को वो लेकर आई है. एंड द पोएट इज टेलिंग दैट तुम्हारी ही तरह वो हाफ विट है, यानी कि बेवकूफ़ मालूम पड़ती है, उसको भी तुम्हारी तरह कुछ समझ में. तो यू कैन सी चिल्ड्रन, द ऑथर इज गेटिंग वेरी अनॉयड, द पोएट इज गेटिंग वेरी अनॉयड विद दिस टू स्टूपिड लेडीज सिटिंग एट द बैक सीट ऑफ हिज, एंड बोथ आर रिवीलिंग what is happening in the show because they have already seen the ड्रामा. और कभी भी आपको भी ऐसा लगता होगा, अगर आपने कोई चीज़ देखी नहीं और कोई उसका सस्पेंस खोल देता है तो आपका पूरा मज़ा उसमें चला जाता है. The last second stanza. In short, foul woman, it would suit me just as well as if you were mute. In fact, to make my meaning plain, I trust you will not speak again. तो वो कहते हैं कि आप म्यूट हो जाइए, जैसे हम टीवी के रिमोट से टीवी को म्यूट कर देते हैं. सो आपको यही सूट होगा कि आप एकदम चुपचाप बैठें और बिल्कुल भी आगे बात नहीं करें. And last but not the least, in the last stanza, he is requesting, he is telling, he is very annoyed, he is telling that, and may I add one human touch, don't breathe upon my neck so much. तो वो कहते हैं कि आप ये ज़ोर ज़ोर से जो सांस ले रही हो एकदम से पास में आ जाती हो, डोंट डू दैट. सो चिल्ड्रन, जनरली दिस पोएम इज़ अबाउट द एटिकेट्स, यानी कि हमें जो वे ऑफ बिहेवियर फॉलो करना चाहिए उसके बारे में है. Children, we are social human beings. We live in a society. So there are certain code of conduct which we must be behaving and we must be following when we live in a society. So it is just like that. तो कुछ चीज़ें जो नहीं करनी चाहिए मतलब वो नहीं ही करनी चाहिए, और अगर हम वो करते हैं तो वो दूसरों को इरिटेट करती है. So certain rules and regulations we must always follow.